Hey guys, Dr. Christy Ennis. If you are feeling sluggish and sleepy, before you reach for that cup of coffee or that second cup of coffee or third cup of coffee, I do love coffee, check out these exercises which are gonna actually get that blood flow going and get that whole body feeling better. All right, you're gonna start with a little knee march and an arm swing. So arms are gonna come up, I'm gonna lift that knee, twist that waist. So we're getting some blood flow, we're getting the abs working. Woohoo, balance going too. So this even helps with digestion. And notice you are not sitting, which that alone, right, gets the energy going too. So shoot for about 5 to 10 on each side. Continuing with that opening. One arm's gonna go up, one arm is gonna go out. So again, right, circulation, blood flow, opening up that chest. Woo! Add a little swing. You can even start to get a little rotation going with this one. 5 to 10 reps. And if you want to make this one a little bit harder, you can actually come up on your toes as well. All right, I'm actually starting to feel a little bit better. So you're going to start by bringing those arms up, make some fists, step back into a lunge, and then squeeze as you breathe out those elbows in at your side. Inhale up. Nice strong exhale out. Move that air through that system. Shoot for about 5 to 10 again on each side. A little bit more movement as we're going along here. So legs are gonna go wide, turning my toes out at about 45 degrees, coming down, for those inner thighs, hands resting on those thighs, and I'm gonna dip one shoulder and dip the other. Spine's getting looser, so now I can have a little bit of a bigger movement, and again, 5 to 10 on each side. Keep those legs nice and wide for our last one, which is definitely the most advanced one yet. Woo. So hands are gonna clasp behind your back, squeeze those shoulder blades gently together. If you need a little bend in your knee, you can, but you're gonna add that forward fold. Arms come up towards your head, again, just as much as is comfortable. And you're gonna bend those knees, straighten them up, and then pull yourself all the way back up. Probably only 5 repetitions for this one.